Let's have fun! Yay!
Look at me go! Look at me go!
Yummy! Donuts!
Hide, everyone! It's the wolf!
I want to eat them all! Don't see me! Don't see me!
Where are the donuts? They were just here.
I'm a glove now!
Blarg! No! My face!
Kiki, look! Why is everyone waiting in line?
Yummy popcorn! Come and try the magic!
I want strawberry flavor, please!
First, we add butter and kernels. Ooh.
Now, add some strawberry syrup.
Pop. 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 Pop.
Wow! It's pink and it smells like strawberries!
I want blueberry flavor. Make it blue. Look at the blue clouds. Oh no! Too much popcorn! Everyone, help!
Kids, let's make colorful, healthy ice pops! Tomato, apple, strawberry. All red. Pour it in, nice and slow. Carrot, orange, pumpkin. Oh, so orange! Spin and spin, orange and sweet. Now we wait for them to freeze.
Kiwi, avocado, spinach.
Choo-choo! Here come the purple fruits. Yay! Our healthy ice pops are ready! Wake up! Someone's coming to pick us! They're gonna pick me first because I'm the best! No way! They will pick me!
No, they won't. I'm much prettier than you.
Which one should I choose?
Aha! I'll take the mango one. It looks yummy.
Woo! Down I go! Here I am, the yummy mango cupcake. My turn. I want the pink strawberry one. rainbow cupcake. I'm magic.
Oh no. Everyone's gone. What about me?
It's so hot today.
I'm so thirsty. I want a cold glass of juice.
Fresh and tasty juice. Come and get it!
I want a glass of rainbow juice, please.
Mixing strawberries, oranges, and blueberries.
Look! My tongue is a rainbow.
Oh no! My jam!
Welcome! Don't be sad. You can buy bread here.
I'll have strawberry jam this time. Give it back! That's my bread!
I smell sweetness. You can't hide forever.
Please don't look up. Please don't look up.
I'm just a pile of sugar now.
Too slippery!
Hey. Are you stealing my donuts again?
I'm sorry. I was just very hungry.
Wow! Look how big the park is! Come on!
Come on, pop for me.
And now,
For the secret flavor.
It's raining popcorn! It tastes like a real rainbow. Eat your fruits and stay cool. We found the best treats ever. Don't worry, I'll take you home with me.
oh no! My tongue turned into a crocodile green! This time, I will get my bread and jam.
Processing your order. With a little style.
Behold, the triple fruit jam. No birds this time. Finally, it's mine!
Bye-bye and subscribe for more fun.